Okay. Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to Danasol. I'm gonna say goodbye to my Thai friend here.
And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
Okay, perfect. Okay, bye bye. See you soon.
See you.
All right, guys, let's have a walk. We are at the Danasol. This was Michael Rudi. Oh, look at this, Marcus.
I love baguette.
This is new.
Yeah.
It's a baguette shop. Philly baguette.
Do you think they're new? Because
Philly cheese.
I love baguette. There was in Anton.
Dude, they have Philly cheese sandwiches. Fried rice.
Philly baguette. I don't know what is Philly baguette.
Omelets, fried rice, baguette. Interesting. I gotta check it out at some point. This is Danasol. It's on a, yeah, this street is getting busier and busier, guys. Oh, this is also new.
It's a pottery, so you can learn pottery.
Wow.
You know, you can do this what Patrick Swayze did and Ghost.
This is brand new.
Yeah.
It's a cafe and a pottery.
Very nice.
Yeah. Wow. So this street is getting very, yeah, a busy new street. That's nice. You get pho. The sidewalks are not great to walk. Lots of people just taking the motorbike here in this neighborhood, driving around. Lots of residential places here, but also we are very close to one of the best and tastiest banh mi's. I'm actually gonna show you where it is, because all the time people ask me, where's the banh mi? Where's the pork belly banh mi? And I always say, guys, watch my videos. I think I did already 5 videos on that. I think I started making videos on that 2 years ago, when no one even knew about it. I started there making videos about this banh mi. I even have the contact of the owner. Like literally, the owner always gave me free banh mi's because I did TikToks for him. That early. No one knew that place. Yeah, but it's here on the right. Very nice guy. He always laughs a lot, and yeah. They saw my video about it with 1 million views on TikTok. When I put the banh mi into Mam Tom, yeah, people freak out about that.
Mam Tom is that fish sauce?
Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you the street name first. So this is the street name. Nguyen Dui or Dui Hiu. Terrible pronunciation. And they even have our own truck there. I'm wondering, oh no, the rice place is closed, Marcus.
Maybe it's just for today.
Oh yeah, hopefully. Yeah, that's the place, guys. No one is sitting out there. That's just too hot. But this is the name, Ong Fu Dat. This is the truck. They have, I think they have 6 or 7 locations all around the city. This is where they do the banh mi's, in this thing inside. Hello.
Hello.
And this is very simple ingredients, very delicious, guys. I can't eat it at the moment because it's simply not fitting to my diet. Yeah. Very nice area. There's some good food stalls here. Now we're gonna take a little stroll to the, here at the end of the street and opposite the main street is the PV FTP TP Bank, guys. I definitely have to stay in shade.
So, I have a recommendation for the German word for today.
Oh yeah, I forgot it for many times now.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, hold on, look at it. What? It's a salad place. Wow. No, guys, if you want to have a salad place, that's the place, I guess.
I thought about Schweinebauch.
Schweinebauch. Oh yeah, pork belly. Schweinebauch. Banzur. Ooh. Hannah food. Some noodle dishes over here. Someone told me Who told me that? I met someone and someone told me he really loved this Korean chicken here.
They have
Who told me that?
Bunchaka.
Oh, bunchaka is something else, man.
It's with
It's,
fish.
it's fish cake.
Yeah.
Fish cake noodles. Oh, this is a coffee I would be. Nice, uncomfy wooden seats. Perfect. Then you know this coffee is strong. And it's not like weak Western coffee piss. So here, TP Bank. We tried it out the last time, 55K. If you wanna have zero fees, you need to go to VP and it's a little bit further away. Look at this cool VinFast VF3. But yeah, someone told me this is beautiful. BBQ chicken. It's actually Korean and they have it in Korea as well. I saw it in Hongdae when I was in Seoul. Then here we have Pho Thin. Let's walk this little side street here. It's a little bit nice and shade. You gotta be careful nowadays with that heat. It's afternoon now. But this little side street is home of very famous restaurants. First of all, Pho Thin, very famous Hanoi chain, pho chain. But here in this little street, I think they just renovated the floor. Because somehow...
Or maybe they are still ongoing.
Yeah.
It's renovating.
I think they're doing something about it.
Yeah.
So... But they have some stores here and a very popular restaurant. I tried it out once, I have to give it a try again. Because Marcus, I think there is something we would really like. But I only tried hot pot there with my wife 3 years ago and I did not like it.
Okay, 3 years.
Yeah, and it was hot pot. I don't like hot pot to begin with.
BMW.
Ooh, very nice. X3. Looks like brand new.
Upper class.
With M-Paket. Then there we go. An Audi.
Hey, it's a rich street.
Yeah. I could also imagine lots of condos here.
Oh, look at here.
Hello.
Hello. Here's the vintage store.
Yes, I think I filmed it already one time. For all my ladies who wanna thrift around, this is a vintage thrift store.
But it's very calm.
Yes, I like it. I don't think, I always, when I drive motorbike, I drive those streets. That's why I know the streets so good. Because I want to drive the quietest areas.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of, oh yeah, there's a bakery. Oh, I think this is some meat pie.
Spring rolls.
Okay. And this is like a coffee shop. So it looks like a hipster coffee. Canon.
But it's probably not.
Huh. And here's the restaurant here on the left side, if I'm not wrong. I don't see it. Maybe it's over there. Huh.
Is it Makulo?
No.
Pizza.
Ta-da! What the? What is this? Do they sell flowers? What else? Oh, look at this. This is brand new. I've never seen this before. Maculo. Pizza, Italian food. Huh.
But it's also a beast though.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought it would be that street. Maybe I'm wrong. No, it is here. Or? No.
This place on the left side.
Yes, it is here. Look at this. You can even, yeah.
They don't have even a billboard.
Yeah. They're fancy enough. Tiago. I still have to try it again. It was just like, I tried it out once and I was so disappointed. Then I'm like, I don't trust Google reviews at all. Pum Pum Corner Tiramisu and Cake. Okay.
But if you are a person who don't trust Google reviews too,
Yeah.
then we have probably a very good offer.
Exactly. We have a Google Maps guide today, here in this beautiful QR code. When you watch this on your TV device, you can take your phone out and scan it. And then you are able to purchase this beautiful guide. And after you purchase the guide, you will get few links you can download into your Google Maps and you will be seeing something like this, Bravo Pizzeria, that's definitely a recommendation. The owner is Vietnamese, but he lived in Italy. And my snobby friend who owns the Danasol, he's a very pizza snob. I only eat Napoleon pizza, only. I don't like American style, I don't like anything.
Tommy, this is for you.
Yes, that's Tommy. So he's a very snobby pizza guy, only likes this, and he approved it. I went there with him, it was great. Look at this. Dentist. Huh. VM Apartments. Yeah, I actually just added one more apartment here to my Google Maps guide. Praha apartment, somewhere here on the right. This is also a healthy food place here.
Now we are back on the Mai Tu Lan.
Mai Tu Lan, exactly. I have to show where we are. Here. Nihat was angry. Bro, you're saying all the street names. I don't know what you're saying, man. I understand, but the thing is, I'm posting every day. I don't know how I can manage to type in every single street. That's the problem. But at some point, I will find a solution for that. Very stylish coffee shop here. Whoa! Whoa! Marcus! Marcus!
It's new.
Oh my God! This looks like it tastes good.
But it's not open.
It's not open yet, but we will try it out. Hanoi Grill Brunch. Nice. All right.
I love
Good people. Good people. Love it. All right. Watch out, bro. And this is also a coffee shop. All right.
It's the easiest place to make friends, is what they say.
Where?
At the board.
Oh, that's what they advertised it. All right. Z-Rio. Lots of apartments here. Room left, guys.
So maybe room available.
Exactly. I think I have it already on my map.
To be honest, I have to say this is very interesting.
Yeah.
I will go there during the rainy season.
I added it to my guide, I think, at random places or something.
Yeah.
And I wrote in that you playing PS5 there. Because I think it is maybe something, let's say, either you're a man-child, you're like Marcus, a 46-year-old single man who likes to play video games when it rains, or you have children in that age. Just send them there. Or you're watching, you're a woman, one of the 15% women I have, and you think like, you know what, I want to go shopping in peace. I just put my husband into that.
Yeah.
There are two ways. You either put him into like a room like that, or you just sign him up for Marcus, his pickleball gang.
Every day, 2 hours.
But be careful. Maybe your husband will not have time for you anymore and just play pickleball.
You get addicted, I can tell.
Now Marcus is playing 2 hours pickleball a day. It's absolutely crazy.
But I'm still fat. That's something missing.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I'm not fat, but chubbier. Like this.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm very good on my steps every day. I also went to the gym. Let's walk here to the left.
Yes.
I haven't not filmed
I
this
have
yet. Oh yeah, you have to go already, right?
I have to grab a cat.
Yeah.
Because today is my final day.
Of your dental appointments, right?
Yes.
Oh, whoa. So now you're gonna get the fake teeth in?
Yeah. It's
Oh.
3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Three new teeth coming into Marcus, his Zuckerschnuten-Gesicht.
Yeah, my cutie pie.
Yeah. So now what can you do now what you couldn't do before?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay. Maybe you can eat raw meat now.
No, maybe now I can laugh with an open mouth.
Yeah.
And the people say, oh, okay, he has all teeth.
Okay.
So he's very valuable.
Ah, you're valuable no matter what.
Right. We have a saying in Germany, you know, when you have a horse.
Yeah.
And always when the people, even with a camel,
Yeah.
it's just they open the mouth and see how good the teeth are.
Okay.
So, and then they value the animal. So maybe.
But dude, look at this, Mr. Camel. This is brand new. What's happening over here? So this will not be residential. This will be some commercial space, 100%. And they're just gonna make a little bit of a building here.
Oh, maybe they had it here.
Oh. Dude, I think
It's a coffee place.
coffee or what is it?
Oh, here. Something with the tomato and hairs.
Guys, can you please translate? Do you know what it will be?
There's tomatoes on.
Okay, guys, we don't know what it is. I think this is they need staff.
Yeah, they're looking for staff.
All right, but maybe it will be a tomato salad place.
Oh, look at this.
But it looks big. That would be elevating the whole neighborhood. At least it's not long process, because the neighborhood is a little bit slow on restaurants, yeah? I mean, this here, you can just walk a little bit and then you are there. But this is a little bit dead space. I feel like this here has to be taken care of properly, because, I mean, why not have it nice looking, right?
Yeah.
And the trash here looks almost like Germany in the big cities of Germany, where all the
In the soziale Brennpunkt.
Yeah,
I don't know. Social. What is that? Core?
in the bad neighborhoods of the big cities. That's how it looks there. Yeah, not good. This is not a bad neighborhood, guys. This is a very good neighborhood.
Yes.
This is super safe. You literally can let your child run around. You might be in danger because maybe there's a bloody snake in there or something. Yeah. Oh, look at this car. Looks like the car of my friend. Maybe it's him. Oh, that's Tom. No, is it? No. I'm not sure. All right, guys, I'm just texting Tom if it's him or not. I'm not 100% sure that okay. All right, I don't know if it's my friend or not, but yeah, we are here back in the Antung 34. Yeah, that was a short walk. We're gonna be gone now. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next walk. Check out this video.